Santa bring you?
Are they presents? Who are the presents for? Open!
That's for Abby.
That one's for Abby. That one's for Abby. Let's get one for Jack.
This one's for Jack. Pretty sure. Abby's like, I can do this. Open it up. Oh, it's a dolly from your grandma and Pop. Do we open it? Oh, it's a paper. Here, baby.
Go on, Jack. You gonna open it?
Yeah.
Rip the paper.
Wow, what's that?
Grab that a sec.
Oh. Is it a book? No. Look on the other side. Look on the other side. It's a puzzle. What's that? Okay, let's see. Let me see that one. Yeah, that's for you. You can open that. I'm trying to open your doll, Abby. Sorry, yeah! Yeah, those are to go on the fridge. They're magnets with the alphabet. Wow. That's not for you. That's for Linny and Chuck. Fun it is to run in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
That one for you, is it? Yeah.
Well, we don't know, but okay. Can you open Abby's doll for her, please, Daddy?
Okay, little. Who's that? Thomas, say yay! What does Thomas say? No. Thomas says. That's Thomas. Yay!
Wow.
Here's the page. You know, you go through here and you press the buttons when it comes up. So we look for that. Where's that button? There it is. What's on that, Jack? A fire truck. Open, Jack. Oh.
Can I get that one for Abby, babe?
This one.
Here, Abby.
Jack's got the hang of it now.
Tea for Ruby. That's a story we can read together. Wow.
Jack? What is it? Open this.
What is it? You feel it? It's a blanket, Jack. This is like, whatever. I knew I should have kept it for myself. Okay, Abby, here's another one. Thank you, Bookie.
What?
You're welcome.
You're welcome. What?
Wait. for baby. Look, Abby.
That's for Abby. That's Abby's. Jack, it's your presents, mister. Wow. More.
Yeah.
More books for Jack.
That's a book for Abby.
Oh, that's for Abby.
Get two Abby.
Oh yeah, that was Abby's present, that's why. Yeah, both books for Abby.
Yeah. That's Abby's. That's Abby's Jack. That's Jack.
Hey Jack. Let me see.